guys, good morning. We need to go outside in the condo guys. We buy breakfast. Ay, let's come to the building. Yung Christmas tree. Beautiful Christmas tree. Isang Christmas. Hanap ako ng laundry guys. Periods dito guys. I think 10 building. Not a building. Sabi ni Kuya may laundry daw dito. Lalabas ako sa birdhouse. Ah, this one. Ultima. The name is Optima Alpha Pixie. Dami building guys. Something building yata. Ibang building na. Walking laundry. Walang mga tinda-tinda sa gitna. Ay buy banana, coke rice, fried peas, and favorite rice. Rice is life. The gate right here, and one gate in the other side. I think 2 gates here. I bring this to the laundry. All is white. Magpa-laundry ako. Kasi yung laundry dito inside have laundry over there, but they close the laundry. Vacation. Outside guys, mayroon pala to guys, living building dito. I think the biggest build of NCD, what is called that? NCDC in Acacia, I think. But I love Aliyah guys, very nice. Bombe, medyo ulan kaunti. We pick up our laundry. 10 minutes walk lang guys. mula sa condo papunta sa laundry shop. Nilakad ko lang. Pag sasakay ka, matraffic ka pa. Hindi mang mag-tricycle. Traffic ka pa pag nagsakay ka. Buti pala ka rin lang. Ambon lang kaunti. Yan, nagpayong lang ako. Hi guys, unboxing tayo guys. Our order is arrived immediately. We ordered this last night guys. This is a meat thermometer. Oh, deliver immediately within 24 hours. They said the delivery is 22. But delivery is 22. Let's check guys. This is thermometer guys. 600 plus. Meat thermometer. So that's why if you put in, you need to check it. If done or not. Ah, this one. Wow. This is good quality, right? Because of good quality. 600 plus. Double food thermometer. And this is good. Yeah. Nice. Nice. So we need to cook now. What is the focus condition? I'm sure this is operating with battery, right? And that's it. The first order in Shopee. Waiting to our order kay case Samsung 23 plus. We ordered that because I'm looking that in Baclaran you cannot find that kind of case guys. Is 23 plus. Have ultra is bigger. So I check in Shopee and I get over maybe tomorrow. And that's it. Bye bye. Hi guys, let's drink coffee guys. 6 p.m. drinking coffee. This coffee guys is guys, Pacquiao coffee. Manny Pacquiao. Let's see guys what is the taste of this. White 3-in-1 coffee drink mix with kaping barako and malunggay. Huh? Malunggay guys. Si Manny Pacquiao guys. So, yeah. First time try this guys. Maybe after drinking is very strong. Have moringa. Kaping barako and malunggay. Malunggay is moringa. Let's try that. Usually 70 pesos to guys. Bali siya, 10 pieces. Try daw. Not bad. It's fine. I think much better on it. Put this everything. Kasi is not bad. I like that. Ano siya moringa. Kape ng bayan. Kaping barako ang malunggay. With moringa guys. Try nyo guys. Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao coffee, guys. Pacquiao. White 3-in-1. Coffee drink mix with kaping barako and malunggay. Good siya. Let's drink, guys. Let's drink coffee.